Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our AOLON Watch Curve Smartwatch, and on this video, this is a continuation of our unboxing of the AOLON Watch Curve Smartwatch or the AOLON Curve Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the menus and features of this new smartwatch from AOLON. So if you have any questions regarding the unboxing review of menus and features of the AOLON Watch Curve smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have the time. Okay, so let's start and explore more about the features of the AOLON Curve smartwatch. First, the crown button here is rotary. You can rotate it to change the watch face, as well as I think to explore the menus and features. On top, we have the quick access to the settings. On the bottom part, we have the push notifications. On the left side, we have the split screen. And on the right side, we have the different cards here. Okay, you can add your own. So we have several cards. Okay, to access the main menu, I thought first that you have to press the crown button here just like any other smartwatches, but seems like it's not working. Okay, it's only for the watch face here. Notifications for the bottom part. I guess to access the main menu, you have to use the split screen and tap this one. So we have here the activity tracking, the sleep monitoring, we have a heart rate, we have a Bluetooth call, we have exercise mode. Let's see. So these are the sports function. Okay, so we have several sports function here. Okay, as you can see, you can use the crown button to navigate. So it is loaded with several sports function, better than the AOLON Foam Light smartwatch. Okay, it has a comprehensive list of sports function. So we have popular here: water sports, outdoor activities, training, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports function. Going back, we also have exercise records, blood oxygen monitoring, we have stress monitoring, weather report, messages, shutter, player, relaxation, AI voice, timer, alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracking. We also have here a world clock, find phone, calculator. We also have a games here. Let's see, how many games do we have? Only one games or one game. Okay, we have the settings. For the settings, we have the display feature. Options are brightness, sleep monitoring. We also have here a watch face, menu view. Okay, again. So go back, settings, display, menu view. What else? Oops. I guess you have to tap on the arrow. Settings, display, menu view, list view. No, it's not working. Again, let's go back. I think you have to tap on strongly or tightly. Let's see. List view, honeycomb, grid view, parallel view, surface, and list view. Okay, going back. How to go back? Just press this one. And go back again. Settings. Vibration and ring. Do not disturb mode. Low power mode. We have phone. So phone off, media audio, and phone reset. About. App download, Daffet version, AOLON Curve. Okay. Vibration and ring, do not disturb mode. Sleep, watch face, brightness. Let's increase the brightness here. Okay. So we do have a basic features here for the wearable. Okay. I don't see any new addition except for the sports function, which is better than the AOLON foam light. For the heart rate, okay, we also have an improvement on the heart rate UI. SpO2. Okay. Stress, weather, shutter, music player, Mac, relaxation, AI voice, alarm, stopwatch, world clock. Okay, you need to be connected to this smartwatch or smartphone support app. Okay, so that's it for the AOLON Watch Curve menus and features. Okay, just disappointing that you have to use the split screen here just to access the main menu. Okay, if you know any other shortcut or technique to access the main menu without going here on the split screen, please drop a comment below. Okay, I'm confused if what is another way to access the main menu without using the split screen. The usual process is press the power button and you can access the main menu. But in the smartwatch, the AOLON Watch Curve, that is not possible, I think. Okay, maybe I'm just missing something. Drop a comment below. Okay, share it to our other users. Okay, again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.